If you've posted on Facebook or Instagram recently, you've likely already interacted with AI without knowing it. It's so seamlessly integrated, it just feels like the platform got smarter and more helpful. Meta, that's the company that owns Facebook and Instagram, has woven AI into their apps. It's not some complicated add-on that you need to figure out. It's just there, ready to help when you need it. Let's look at some examples. Open your Facebook app and you'll see Meta's AI in the top right-hand corner within messaging. It looks like a little search or chat icon. So once you open up your chats, you can see at the top there's a blue circle to the right of the search bar, and that is Meta AI. Think of it as having a marketing assistant in your pocket. You can ask it anything, like help me write a reply to this customer review, or create a caption for my Sunday roast photo. And it's all done in seconds. You can also give the AI a bit more detail about your pub to get more suggestions that are tailored to your pub. So for example, I've put here my country pub. And within just a couple of seconds, you can see here, I've got some caption ideas. So you're having a conversation with the AI and it's doing the work for you. You don't need to read any manuals or do any training, just ask it what you need. But do be aware that you will need a bit of human oversight, so you do need to just double check that the information is accurate and that the posts sound like you. If you use Meta Business Manager, the dashboard where you manage your Facebook and Instagram pages, there's even more AI built in. If you come into the section called Create Post, where you can upload media content and start to write your post, there's an option called Scheduling Options, and here you can use what's called active times. This will tell you what your most active times are based on when your customers are online. So it learns this using AI and allows you to schedule accordingly. Set it up and your posts go out automatically while you're pulling pints or prepping food. But remember, if you have had some posts go out automatically, make a note to check for any notifications and questions that may have come in while you've been in the pub. Meta also uses AI heavily in Instagram Reels. Reels are, of course, those short form videos on Instagram and Facebook that get some of the highest engagement on the social platforms. Making the videos is getting easier. So the AI allows you to add various clips into your Reels, and then it recommends both edits and music to get suggested some music that fits my video. I don't need to scroll through thousands of tracks. It just shows me what's popular and what works well with my content. Auto captions allow you to record a quick video of yourself talking, or maybe a team member talking about your quiz night or new menu, and AI will automatically add captions as you speak. Just press the CC button and you'll be able to choose the different fonts, colours and styles in which the text appears on screen. Remember that most people watch videos with the sound off while they're scrolling, so this is a great way to make sure whatever you're saying is still read and understood by followers and people in the feed. It can be used to grab a bit of attention or give some context as well. Just make sure that you don't obscure it off the screen. You want it front and centre. Make sure it's easy to read for people as well. Now, if you've ever thought about running paid ads on Facebook or Instagram, maybe promoting an event you've got coming up or your Christmas menu, then there's also AI in Ads Manager, which makes the whole process much simpler than it used to be. If you're boosting a post on your Facebook page or Instagram, then you'll notice that there's quite a bit of AI built into the program now. So I'm just looking at the desktop version of boosting a reel. And once you scroll down to the audience section, there's an option called Advantage Plus Audience. And this is where you actually let Meta suggest your audience. So it's going to reach people who it knows are most likely to respond to your ad. You can also add some details to that targeting if you want to. So you can add a location, age, and making sure that your minimum age there is 18, given that you are a pub, is important. So there's lots of AI now built into these decisions to make sure that you don't need to spend ages selecting, but it makes it quicker and easier for you to run these ads and to get people through the door who are most likely to engage with your ads. Also in advertising, there is an option now called creative variations. So when you upload an image to the ad, AI will instantly generate loads more options for you. So it's pretty amazing what it can do. And it will generate some other options for you to utilize. There might be a better image that you prefer, or you might want to use multiple images in your post. We uploaded just a picture of a pizza here, and you can see there's lots of options, like ones of ingredients flying out of the pizza, which could be a little more eye-catching to people in an ad. So AI is handling all of the technical complexity here while you just focus on your main message. Also, within the Meta AI, there is an image generator tool as well. So Meta has become very impressive in terms of what it can do with AI. All you need to do is describe what you want it to do. So what you want it to develop, whether you want it to create something from scratch or whether you want it to use your image of your pub as a basis for creating something a little bit more slick or sophisticated. In this example, I've uploaded a photo of a pub and I've added the request to put in some bunting and some people in the sunshine. And so you can see here what it comes up with. I would just double check that the AI has accurately represented your pub, that you're not misleading anybody. And I would put in the caption here that you have used AI to generate this image. Here's why this is brilliant for pub owners. You're not learning new platforms or tools. You're using Facebook and Instagram like you always have, but now there's an AI assistant built in, making everything faster and easier. Replying to reviews, AI helps. Creating posts, AI helps. Making videos, AI helps. Scheduling content, AI does it. It's not about becoming tech savvy, it's about Meta making their platform so intuitive that the AI just feels like the app is working better.